Good morning, JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning. Just here in Flowery Branch this morning. We've got, it appears to be a 3-area job. One large master bedroom, a large living room, dining area, followed by a secondary bedroom. Even though it's 3 areas, this large living room slash dining room counts as 2 areas because it's larger than 15 by 15, as well as the master. So it ends up being a 5-area job because the 2 larger areas count as 2, and then the regular size counts as the regular size. This house also has 2 closets there, a 3rd closet here, and a small hallway. This is actually the after video. We had several spots, appeared to be a dog. And here, a couple in the middle of the floor. I would say overall there's probably a dozen spots maybe. And as you know, with OMG Carpet Cleaning, there are no per spot fees. So spots are included. A lot of people refer to them as stains, but we like to assume they're spots because spots come out and stains do not. So if you're interested in having your carpets done, 770-652-0630. Again, this is JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, 770-652-0630. And as always, thanks for watching, take care, and be kind.